Hey y'all, it's your girl Key and I'm back with another video. So yeah, I've been gone for a little minute. Your girl been going through some things, but it's cool, whatever. But anyway, my car been parked for like a couple days now because it wouldn't start. So I've been using my sister's car, whatever. Thank God for my sister. And yo, I gotta be to work tonight. I gotta go to work tonight, and I'm trying to figure out how the fuck. So I heard people saying something about like if your battery got like corrosion or something on it, you can use like a Coca Cola or something, or Pepsi or something like that. So I'm gonna try that out or whatever. I'm trying to wait for Bay to get off work so he can try it with me or whatever. But yeah, we're gonna try it out and see what happens. Hopefully it'll start. If not, so yeah, y'all. So yeah, I gotta be to work tonight or whatever, and she go back to work tonight too. So I'm like, I can't use her car tonight, and I'm like, I don't really want to get dropped off at work and then tomorrow morning be sitting around, you know what I'm saying, looking crazy waiting for somebody to pick me up. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna give it a try and try to see if this, you know, little Pepsi thing work or whatever. And it's crazy because y'all know I don't drink sodas at all, so I had to ask my next door.
Gang. 3 bad bitches fucking on me. Top floor at my penthouse, yeah. Young rich nigga, I'm on my road. Fucking her husband, my flip flop, yeah. Fucking that trolling this hip hop, whoa. Nigga play me, gon' get shot. Put a $250,000 carry my wrist right, whoa. Bust down, put it on TikTok, no. We got them bricks in the drop. I call her pay and they hitting the route. This life I'm living be tripping me out, cause I just let the famous be spit in my mouth. Yeah, I'm about burning for pride that bitch. Road truck coming, I'm cop that shit. Ass off fat, tell her pop that shit like.
Alright, let me stop. Yo, I'm stressing the fuck out. So I need to try to like, it just music just kind of get me hyped or whatever. Kind of make me feel a little better. But yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, my damn battery. So yeah, I'll try to see what I'm gonna do. I don't know. I'll figure something out.
You ain't the one for me. You ain't got shit I need. Want me to take my time with you. Maybe I'm not your speed. Maybe I'm not your league. You ain't even got no cheese. Maybe I'm just too G for you. Maybe I'm just too street. I can even roll in peace. Everybody notice me. I can even go to sleep. I'm rolling on a beam. They try to give me a God on my knees like Jesus, please. You don't even believe in Jesus. Why you got a Jesus, please?
Yeah, so like I was saying, I don't drink soda or whatever, so I had to ask my next door neighbor because he worked for Pepsi, for the company. So I asked him, I was like, you got Pepsi or something in your house or whatever? He was like, let me go check. So he had found me one, and it looked like it had been sitting probably for like forever, so I don't know, it's probably hella acid in it, but it'll do. So he was like, just pour some of that on my battery, and he gave me this little scraper thing and would just like kind of like scrape the corrosion off or whatever, and it should, you know, hopefully help. But girl, I'm saying, but girl, my homegirls and shit, like, hey y'all. But yeah, I've had my car since like 2014, so it's definitely time for a new battery anyway. So I'll probably get one probably Friday. But hopefully I can get this little jump start at least to get that from point A to point B. And yeah, so we're gonna see, and I'm gonna show y'all the little process and see if it work. Yeah. Yo, it's like real bad. That's crazy. All that corrosion on it. That's exactly why it's probably not starting. But yeah, it's definitely probably time for another one. So this is before, and then I'm gonna pour the Pepsi or the Coke on it and try to like see if I can get some of this stuff off of there and then see what happens.
Right. Yeah, this ain't doing nothing.
That one probably like flat as crap. Alright, we're gonna do this. Just sitting on the side.
That's why I say crack that. Oh, these kids.
Why I shine the light.
Alright. I'm saying.
Yeah, that one bubbling a little more.
No, we gotta get him back in there though.
To the back.
It needs to get, like, I don't know, like if you have to like have something where it's gonna reach back there. If the can can't
What we
reach
got?
back there,
We might use the
but-
funnel
Get-
thing.
Get the funnel.
Yeah.
yeah.
Hold on. Get the funnel. I'm about to say, dang, the Trump
Y'all gotta excuse my junky trunk. I definitely need to clean that like this week. And please excuse my neighbors too because they was loud as ever in the background.
Oh boy. Alright, so I need to tilt the shine your light a little bit. Yeah. Alright, so
You gonna sit it right there while I pull it?
yeah. Yeah, cause I can't do it.
Yeah, make sure what's going on there.
Alright, hold. Oh yeah, alright, do it again. This side. Alright. Alright, now just do it again for here.
And we're gonna let it sit
Bring
right.
y'all the little brush, the little toothbrush.
No. What you recording, y'all?
Yeah.
Hey, really? You see my?
Let me see. I can't see the All right, so yeah, you need the little brush to start brushing it. What's the name? Brushing it, because
Alright.
it's eating up the acid itself.
Got my mother on FaceTime because she used to this. This is my first time ever having to do this, so we gonna brush it with a toothbrush and then see what happens or whatever. So I'll be back, y'all.
Oh, that's the final.
Is some of it coming on?
Yeah.
You can probably pour some more as you work it, and then just
All right. Yeah, pull some more.
Is on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a little bit. You can hear it like
You
bubbling
can hear
up.
it.
Right. Mm-hmm. He do it again for that side.
Trying to pull a little bit because we ain't got a lot.
I know. I guess so. You cheap.
I said this can gonna have to work.
You can brush it like wise. There you go.
Right, yeah. Oh man.
I hate that my battery is so far back.
I hate how you
I
got.
hated that.
I hate how that you got this damn punch buggy.
Don't talk about my car. Don't talk about
What
my
you
car.
hear me buy?
Yeah.
A little
You got
punch
the
buggy.
paper towel to wipe some of it off. Is it coming clean?
Yeah.
It look a lot better.
Yeah, I'm about to grab the
What about
output.
what about the one in the front?
You see the front one cool.
Yeah, you could just wipe it off. Just dry it off.
All right then. All right, hold on.
I'm surprised my phone ain't died yet. On that 1%. Oh, nanny.
Girl, you're looking crazy. Oh, damn, we still got the oven. I'm saying you want the oven. That's cold.
Oh, all right.
Mad about the gas and electric bill.
Oh God.
Look, I don't even want to talk about that.
All right, now this one I gotta.
Squeeze your hand all the way back there. That's like real weird. Like whoever made this call.
Yeah,
Like,
because
they put the battery all the way in the back.
Because this car.
Do not try it.
This car is not a family car. This car is like for one person to drive.
They tried it for real. I'm gonna need him to stop talking about my car.
Makes sense.
Stop talking about
No,
my
why it
baby.
makes sense.
Now he about to attempt to start it and see what happened.
All right, so. Let's see how-
finally driving my car, y'all. After what, like 4 days? It's been 4 days. My damn phone had cut off. It went dead yesterday when I was recording. But anyway, after we cleaned off like the corrosion and stuff like that with the whole Coca Cola, I guess it helped, even though it didn't start it right away, but it did help out a little bit. And today, I basically got a hot shot. Was it called a hot shot or yeah, a hot shot and a jump, whatever, jump start. Yeah, and it actually soon it straight started up. I'm like, yo, so clearly it do have some juice in it, like still. But I'ma still try to get a new battery on Friday. But right now I'm just trying to like ride it around a little bit just so it can like, you know, stay charged up. He said give it some gas after I roll it around for like 10-15 minutes just to keep the charge. And just gas it up. People probably looking like, what the fuck is she doing? That should be good. Yeah, I'm kind of scared to turn the car off because what if I come back out here and it's time to go to work and that bitch don't start?
When you go down all your darkest roads, I would have followed all the way to the graveyard. You look at me with eyes so dark, don't know how you even see. You push right through me.
I like this filter. Y'all, I'm vegan. But anyway, so yesterday I had to call out from work or whatever because I ain't had no ride. So my supervisor on how about she gonna write me up because not having a ride is no excuse to not come. Like, so what you gonna cash at me some money so I can get there? Like, I'm not understanding. I'm not understanding. I was like, I'm sick of this job. I ain't got time. But then was really petty though. I tried to call her phone so I can call out or whatever. She ain't answer. As soon as I called the house manager, she was like, all right, hold on, I'm gonna call her. She straight answered the phone. I was like, oh, okay, she trying to be. But yeah, she tried to be petty, but I'm like, it's cool though. I'm like, I got me a job interview tomorrow at 2 o'clock, so hopefully I get it. Fingers crossed. A job that's much better and that pay more, so yeah. But anyway, you know, my battery is doing okay for now. I gotta work tonight at 10 o'clock, so hopefully when I go to the car to start it, it's still good. Hopefully it get me to work and get me home tomorrow morning when I get off. But yeah, y'all, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. And also comment some ideas. My next video I want to do like a Q&A. So any questions y'all